Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda, and in this video we are going to review Top 5 Best Desktop PC in 2022. If you're thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Our first product is Dell _Alienware AURORA R12 Gaming Desktop PC. Every detail of the legendary Alienware _R series battle station is designed to heighten and excite your senses for the most immersive gaming experiences possible. That's why every click, press, sound and frame work together to take you deeper in the game than you ever imagined. Enhanced overclocking. The latest generation of the AURORA is engineered for up to 11th General Intel Core processors, capable of speeds of up to 4.7 GHz on turbo across all 8 cores without overclocking. Elevate your performance with customized overclocking on the optional K-series processors through the Command Center software. Made for multitasking, with up to 128 GB of overclockable high-performance XMP_DDR4 memory, there's no limit to what all you can do at one time. Our second product is OMEN 30 liters Gaming Desktop PC. Keyboard and mouse. Comes with the OMEN black wired keyboard with volume control and wired optical mouse. Windows 10 and warranty. Confidently work and play with the familiar feel of Windows 10 and a 1-year limited hardware warranty. HyperX DDR4 memory. With 16 GB of RAM, everything from browsing multiple web pages to playing games gets a boost. VR ready. Enjoy optimal VR performance as your desktop is VR ready right out of the box. Show off your hardware dash. A tempered glass side panel shows off your internal components with RGB lighting effects, while a clear ME protective coating helps reduce the risk of electrical or magnetic interference with other devices. Powerful processor. Game, stream, create, and edit multimedia content faster than ever with 10th generation Intel Core i7-10700KF processor with liquid cooling. Boost your performance. Get up to 10x faster performance than a traditional hard drive with 1 TB of .2 SSD storage. Our third product is Dell G5 Gaming Desktop, Intel Core i7-9700, Windows 10 1x HDMI, 2x USB 2.0, front, 2x USB 2.0, rear, 1x USB 3.1, front, 4x USB 3.1, rear, 1x USB 3.1 Type-C, front 64-bit English. 1x HDMI, 2x1x audio and /microphone, front, 1x audio and /microphone, rear, 1x center, subwoofer line out, rear, 1x headset jack, front, 1x LR surround line out, rear, USB 2. Our fourth product is Acer Chromebox CXi3i38 GKM2 Mini PC. Acer introduces its new Chromebox, a desktop equivalent to its Chromebook, delivering a cloud-centric PC for casual users. It blends the fast and secured Chrome OS into a small form-factor desktop, giving you the freedom to choose how you want to connect. Simply attach to a monitor or TV. Connect the included keyboard and mouse, and you'll be on the internet in just a few minutes. Whether it be a big screen TV or any size monitor, you can safely access the web and your favorite Google Chrome apps. A compact, sleek design that fits neatly into any workspace or attached to displays with the included VESA mounting kit. The small size and 802.11 acres wireless make it easy to move from the TV to your monitor, while the card reader lets you easily access photos and docs. Our fifth product is Mac Mini, Apple M1 chip with 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, and 16-core Neural Engine, 8GB unified memory, 512GB SSD storage, superscript 1 gigabit Ethernet. Apple M1 chip with 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, and 16-core Neural Engine, 8GB unified memory, 256GB SSD storage, superscript 1 gigabit Ethernet. Every Mac comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Opens in a new window, And up to 90 days of complimentary technical support opens in a new window. Apple Care Plus for Mac extends your coverage from your Apple Care Plus purchase date and adds up to 2 incidents of accidental damage protection every 12 months, each subject to a service fee of $99 for screen damage or external enclosure damage, or $299 for other accidental damage, plus applicable tax. In addition, you'll get 24/7 priority access to Apple experts via chat or phone. For complete details, see the terms opens in a new window.